given situation with the water crisis is concerned. But having said that, Delhi water minister has been hospitalized. In fact, remember, she was on an indefinite hunger strike and her health has worsened is what we're learning. In fact, Atishi's blood sugar levels have dropped, and Atishi on hunger strike since June 21st, and the indefinite hunger stir over water crisis. Nikhil, my colleague, of course, has been tracking this for us. Nikhil, what are we picking up as far as her current situation is concerned?
So Atishi, who is the concerned minister for the water department, she is currently admitted to the Lok Nayak Jayaprakash Hospital in Central Delhi area, and also this is the Delhi government run hospital. She was brought at about 3 a.m. and she is currently admitted into the emergency ICU unit, and all the vitals are being checked thoroughly. And there is also a statement which has come out from the MS Medical Superintendent of LNJP, Dr. Suresh Kumar, who has also confirmed that her blood sugar level dropped to 36, which is abnormal in this particular case. And also she has been sitting on the indefinite protest against the water crisis which is currently taking place in the capital city. But also, Nivedna, there is reaction which has come out from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Viren Sachdeva, who is Delhi BJP president, he has said that सत्याग्रह करने के लिए सत्य की राह पे चलना पड़ता है. This is not something which the Atishi or leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, for that matter, they have followed the path of the truth. So this is something as far as the politics is taking place. But yes, situation continues to be critical, and the vitals are being checked thoroughly, and everything which is required is being given by the LNJP doctors. And this is that time when also the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, they have yet again approached Prime Minister Narendra Modi to look into the matter and also to intervene to provide additional water to the capital. Go by the overall developments, Nivedna, a couple of developments have already taken place in context to the politics, but no solution whatsoever has been provided from either of the sides, be it the ruling Aam Aadmi Party or that of the principal opposition Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Remember, the Delhi people have given 7 MPs to the Bharatiya Janata Party, but they have not done
You're absolutely right on that point, Nikhil. In fact, I'm going to come back to you as far as what you make of that given political situation about whether it is the 7 BJP MPs that is, or even for solution from the Aam Aadmi Party. Just stay with me. We'll first listen into that reaction from Saurabh Bharadwaj as far as Atishi's health is concerned.
उनकी रात से ब्लड शुगर लेवल गिर रही थी, तो हमने सैंपल उनका दिया था तो 46 उनकी शुगर लेवल आई थी, और उसके बाद उनकी पोर्टेबल मशीन से ली तो उनकी 36 तक शुगर लेवल आई, जो कि अच्छी नहीं है, सीरियस रहती है. इसलिए उनको हमने जो है अभी LNJP हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कराया है, और अब डॉक्टर साहब उनका इलाज कर रहे हैं, तो अब सेफ हैं.
आज जब मैडम को यहाँ पे लेके आए तो उनका ब्लड शुगर कम था, उनका कीटोन्स प्रेजेंट थे, शी वाज ड्राउजी, और उनका सोडियम लेवल भी कम था. हमने उनको IV फ्लूइड्स पर रखा है और उनको इमरजेंसी ICU में एडमिट किया गया है, और डॉक्टरों की टीम उनकी देखभाल कर रही है. अभी सारे वाइटल पैरामीटर्स स्टेबल हैं.
Nikhil, coming back to you as far as what you were talking about, how, of course, politically speaking, this has panned out. We're, of course, focusing on the fact that Atishi's health has worsened, but the stir was, her hunger strike was over the water crisis, that is. But just for our viewers to better understand this, with the fact that, you know, there is a lot more that one can do politically speaking in terms of putting their resources to find a solution.
Well, correct. And also the responsibilities lies on the part of Aam Aadmi Party as well, because we have filed a couple of reports, Nivedna. You have seen, and we have make people seen that reports as well, that how a lot of percentage of the water is just getting wasted. Why? Because the work has not been done properly by the Aam Aadmi Party, and DJB, which is the Delhi Jal Board, lies with the Aam Aadmi Party, and no repairing work, maintenance work has been done. And there are a couple of places, couple of isolated pockets where the water is getting leaked to the tunes of thousands of cusecs on a daily basis. And also the water theft is something which has also been reported and as alleged by the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders that this is being done on the behest of the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. So this is something which accounts for the ruling dispensation in the capital city, but also the people are saying that some concern should be given on the humanitarian ground by the Haryana government as well. Remember, the matter was also filed before the Supreme Court, and this was taken by the Aam Aadmi Party in the very first place. But all the matters were taken into the cognizance. But Haryana government in the very first place, they clearly informed the court that they do not have additional share of water to supply to the capital city because they have their own needs as well. But now, apart from politics, what we do know is that LG as well, he has informed all the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party that they have to now approach the Upper River Yamuna board because they are the final authority in this particular case. And also he has assured that he is going to speak to the Haryana Chief Minister as well, which he has already done so. And Nayab Singh Saini, who is Haryana Chief Minister, he has assured Delhi LG V.K. Saxena that he is clearly going to review yet again the water supply to the capital city. But now, Nivedna, there is not much which is expected out of all of these stakeholders. So the people are also expecting, and they are in know of the information that the monsoon which is approaching in the capital city, that is the only hope left for the residents who are currently grappling with the shortage of water.
Right, Nikhil. In fact, as you draw that into perspective on all angles for us on a lighter note, just like there is a need for water in the national capital, we also have a need for you to keep us ahead of developments. So stay with me. I'm going to come back to you once again as far as what else is happening, considering we're talking about the water crisis as well. Yesterday's slight rainfall brought some relief from the scorching heat for Delhiites. However, people across the national capital continue to face water shortages. Several parts of Delhi have been facing a major water crisis over the past few weeks, like how we were just discussing, with the AAP-led Delhi government failing to meet water demands. So take a look at this report and then we'll go across to my colleague Nikhil.
राजधानी दिल्ली में पानी की किल्लत बरकरार है। अलग अलग इलाकों में टैंकर से पानी सप्लाई किया जा रहा है। रोजाना सुबह और शाम इस तरह की लंबी लाइनें लोग लगाते हैं। महिलाएं आप देख सकते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो हैं हाथ में कैन लेकर पहुंचे हुए हैं। तो पानी की समस्या राजधानी दिल्ली में देखने को मिल रही है। पिछले लंबे वक्त से हम इस खबर को लेकर रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में किस तरह से पानी का सप्लाई किया जा रहा है। लोग परेशान है। इसके साथ ही अगर बात करें तो दिल्ली के जो मंत्री हैं अतिशी, पिछले कुछ दिनों से अनशन पर बैठी है। उनका कहना है कि हरियाणा गवर्नमेंट पानी दे लिहाज, आप देखिए कुछ लोग हमारे साथ हैं। सर, जिस तरह से अनशन पर भी बैठी हैं अतिशी, और पानी की कमी राजधानी दिल्ली में बहुत ज्यादा देखने को मिल रही है, किस तरह की दिक्कत हो रही है और क्या कहना चाहेंगे उनके अनशन को लेके?
मैडम जी देखो, जब सरकार उनको सपोर्ट नहीं करेगी तो वो तो अनशन बैठेंगे, धन्य बैठेंगे पानी की, क्योंकि सरकार कोई भी हो, जनता से जब ये वोट मांगते हैं तो वो कहते हैं कि हमें दे दो, और समस्या के लिए एक दूसरे के पीछे पड़ जाते हैं ये।
Nikhil, coming back to you as the given situation is concerned, well, clearly, like you have also been on ground, you've reported from several parts of the national capital as well. Things do not change, but is there a better sense of, in terms of development of the water tank mafia that we did see when you were reporting?
There is no development which has taken place on that part because the last we know, Delhi police deployed their personnel at those particular points where it was reported that the water tankers are operating from. And that is the exact point which is the border area, which is the Monarch Canal area from where the water enters from Haryana to the state of the Delhi. So no action in context to the inquiry or any of the arresting has taken place from that side, from the account of the Delhi police. But yes, the Delhi police have deployed their persons, which appears like the tankers mafia are currently underground. They are not operating to the level as they were doing previously. But yes, the water shortage continues to take place. But as far as your question is concerned as to what better could have been done, so there are two of the things which could have been done. One, first one is the, as LG has said, that whatever the solution you need, you cannot do it on the basis of the blame game. If you talk politely, the solution will clearly be given out to you, even from the side of the Haryana government. So this is the point number one. Another point is also being from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party. They should also take the responsibility as to how the desilting was not done on their account. And there are some of the points as well into the capital city where the repairing work, changing of pipe, maintenance work, this is also amounts to a big chunk of the water getting wasted. So this could also have been saved from the Aam Aadmi Party. So all the stakeholders should have come together on a single platform to work politely for the Delhi people. But clearly, this is something which has not been done. So the Delhiites are facing the shortage of water.
Right, Nikhil. Thank you very much for drawing more perspective on the overall situation, given everything that we're looking at in the national capital. Appreciate you for the same.